This is called the Amazon Influencer Program, and all you do is review small products that make you a commission after they're sold from people watching your video. And all you're doing is selling the people on the product so that they purchase it and you get paid. And pretty much on average, you're going to be making 3 to 5% commissions just from people watching your video and purchasing the product. So in this video, I figured I'd give this a shot for myself by applying to the Amazon Influencer Program and hopefully getting approved. And then of course, we're going to try to review as many products as possible and scale this business up. Alright, so if you guys take a look to the left of my screen right over here, you're going to notice that there are different commission rates that you will get paid out for review videos depending on the type of product that you're reviewing. So one thing that I noticed is that the higher end electronics that go for a lot of money, for instance a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, which go for hundreds of dollars, are only going to pay you about 1% commission, which means that we're not going to be really going for products like that, because although it could be good, there is a lot of competition already and the percentage payout is extremely low. Now I'm just doing a bit of product research to find the first few products to order, and pretty much I'm looking for categories that are paying 3 to 5% so we could break even a whole lot faster. So once I do find these products, we're going to place the order and wait for them to come in, and yeah, that's about it. Now one extra plus with this program is you could also just review items around your house and you don't necessarily have to order the stuff off of Amazon to review it. I realized that you could go to Target or like any other store in general and go purchase items from there, and you could also review them on Amazon as long as there's a listing for them. So I might be doing that too. And another thing is, since my house does have a few Amazon products, I will be reviewing the ones that I already have just to save some money and actually get these videos rolled out faster. So once I get these products, I'm going to open them up and start making these videos. So I'm just going to go ahead and place the orders right now, and then we're going to wait for them to come in. After watching a few YouTube videos on people who started this business from scratch, they were able to make over a few $100s in their first month just by consistently posting about a few times a week or even a few times a day.
Making $5 a day, roughly $5 to $10 a day. And you can see here, I uploaded my next batch of videos right there, and I started to make about $20 a day, and then my next batch here, and I'm now up to $50 a day.
So I want to try this out to the maximum capacity possible and see how many videos I could chuck out and how much money I could make within my first few days of doing this challenge. So if you guys are interested in watching, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And of course, before we could even get into this, we got to make sure that we get approved for the program. So let's go do that right now. So it's been about 20 minutes since I last recorded the clip that you just saw, and pretty much I tried applying for the Amazon Influencer Program, but I got told that my creator profile wasn't big enough and that I wouldn't get approved. So I tried using my YouTube channel, which currently has 1,000 subscribers at the time of this recording, and it didn't get approved. I tried using my Instagram page, which has about 700 followers. That didn't get approved. Then I tried my second Instagram page, which also didn't get approved. And then I tried my TikTok.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Long story short, I wasn't able to get approved using my personal profiles. But what I realized is I was growing this Instagram theme page that was under my name as well. So when I used it, and it currently has 99,000 followers, I was able to get approved for the program. So I'm officially an Amazon influencer, and all I have to do is start checking out my first few videos to see how this goes. Now I'm not gonna lie, I ended up doing product research before actually applying to the program, because for some reason after watching so many videos, I really thought I already got approved. So it wasn't until after I finished my product research that I realized when I get the products, I don't have a place to upload them yet. So I'm happy I got approved, because it would have been a huge waste of time. Now, like I said before, you don't have to buy the products on Amazon to review them. So instead of sitting here like a lazy bum and wasting time, I'm gonna start walking around my house and figuring out what products that are listed on Amazon that I actually own, so I can start posting some videos. Take this huge turf rug for instance. I didn't buy this on Amazon, but I could still review it. And once I review the product, I go onto Amazon and I post it up on their site, add a title, and I just have to tag the product. So you can search up the exact name that you purchased from the manufacturer that you purchased, and most likely Amazon should have it. So after that, you just upload it along with the tag and you're good to go. And once you submit your video, it is going to be reviewed by Amazon, and if everything does abide by their community guidelines, your video should be approved and uploaded, and you shouldn't have no issue making money if it does meet all of the requirements. And then once this thing is uploaded, you could expect to start generating some type of money, as long as there isn't a whole lot of competition. Now I also did order a few products off of Amazon just to make this a little bit easier, because my house is not packed with a whole bunch of stuff that's on Amazon, so it would make it harder for me to just make videos based on stuff that's not there. So I ordered a few products that are based around computer accessories that I could use, and now the goal is just to make a few videos on them to see exactly how fast we can make some money. You want to try to find products that don't have over 6 review videos already posted, because the way Amazon works is it'll show 5 videos or 6 videos at most at the bottom of the screen. On top of that, you want to make sure that this has a lot of positive reviews. You will get paid a commission when someone buys the product. But if someone returns the product because they didn't like it, that means that you will lose your commission for the product that was sold before. So you want to make sure that if you're giving a review that is pretty honest and that you're not selling some garbage product, because you won't make any money that way. Goes around your neck just like so. All of your ports, including an aux port, air hose for your pet to breathe. The bottle is extremely good. I have this extremely wrinkled shirt over here, and all you do is pass it over the shirt. Long story short, I reviewed every product that I could find in my house that was also on Amazon, and I just made a whole bunch of 1 to 2 minute videos, but mainly 1 minute videos on all of these products so that I could upload them and have them posted as soon as possible. And there's also a requirement where 3 videos do have to be reviewed on the Amazon platform before I'm actually monetized. So I will be waiting for them to approve my first 3 videos before I actually start earning any money. Okay, so it's currently the next day, and yesterday I spent the entire morning and afternoon recording videos, and I have them all saved on my phone at the moment because now today I'm going to try to figure out a few thumbnail ideas that are simple but clickable so that when I upload these videos they actually do get views. And like I was mentioning before, there is this thing that Amazon has where you have to upload 3 videos minimum before they could approve you for the monetization program, and they have to review these 3 videos to make sure that they do qualify to be on their platform. So I'm going to try to submit 3 videos today so that we could start this whole process and wait to see if we get approved. But for the most part, with the 30 videos that I do have recorded, I'm just going to make thumbnails right now, and I'll show you guys a few of them when I am finished. Okay, so I just finished making the thumbnails, and I know I said I was only going to do it for 3 videos, but I kind of got caught up in the moment and I spent the whole day making thumbnails. So I'm done with all the thumbnails for the videos, and I uploaded all of them all at once. So here are a few of the example thumbnails that I did make. I tried to keep it as simple as possible and kind of just gave it like a clean interface, kind of like an MKBHD video where you only see the product that you're trying to buy. So really, like, I think this turned out very good, and I'm gonna show you guys the platform right now. It says that all of my videos have been approved after they were in review, so I really just have to wait for the 3 videos to get approved so that we could actually start earning some money. All of my videos are published and they have been approved. I have about 32 videos because I actually made an additional 2 before recording this clip since I found 2 other products that I could review. And you know, long story short, I'm good to go. I just gotta wait for the Amazon thing where they approved 3 videos, which they said could take 2 business days, but I heard some people say it takes them a few weeks. So we're just gonna wait for that, and we'll see how much money we start earning from there. So quick update, I was doing a bit of research on, you know, how long it takes for these 3 videos to get approved so I could start making some money. And I was really noticing that a lot of people said it took them multiple weeks, around 45 days on average to get approved. And on top of that, a lot of people said to only submit 3 videos to the platform so that it doesn't prolong the process. So I actually deleted a bunch of the videos that I uploaded, and I still have them on the side for when I do get approved to the program to upload them afterwards, but I deleted them and left 3 videos up so that I don't mess up the process. And fun fact, I also learned a new way that I could save a lot of money while doing this side hustle. Since we're looking to buy a bunch of products to review for Amazon, I found this platform called Rakuten that gives me cash back whenever I purchase a product anywhere. And with Rakuten, you're gonna get cash back from any store that you choose to buy from, as long as they offer cash back on their app. And on top of that, they give you $30 after you spend $30 on their platform, which means you could buy your first product for free practically, since they give you the money right back. So I'm gonna be using this app a whole lot more because I could purchase a bunch of products, get cash back for those products, and on top of that I could resell the products that I purchased in order to make a profit. So I'm going to make money 3 ways: from Amazon paying me a commission, from Rakuten giving me cash back, and from reselling the actual product that I purchased. So if you guys are interested in using Rakuten, I'll be leaving the link down below in the description and in the comments for those of you looking to sign up. Finally got accepted for the Amazon influencer program, so now it's time to start uploading these videos and start making some money. So I'm going to go ahead and upload those videos right now, and we're going to see how much I could earn within the first week. After a long 33-day wait, I finally got approved for monetization on the Amazon influencer program. So I just re-uploaded all of my previous videos that I took down while I was waiting for approval. So now while all of these videos are being reviewed, I'll keep you guys posted as soon as they get uploaded and how much money they make. So it's been about 4 days since I got accepted for monetization with the Amazon influencer program, and now I'm about to tell you guys exactly how much I made within my first 4 days. But before I do that, make sure that if you guys watched the video this far that you smash the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and now let's get into it.
Are you ready, kids?
So as you guys can see over here, this is my Amazon influencer dashboard, and as of right now, after the past 4 days, I've earned a total of $45.45. Now obviously you can see here that I haven't been earning nothing throughout the entire month of January because I was not yet monetized. But then my first day hit and I made $2.98, which really isn't a lot of money. But you've got to keep in mind that after being monetized, I did have to wait for most of my videos to actually finish processing. And you only get paid from the program once the item actually gets shipped out to the customer. So since I made $2.98, I'm assuming that's because most products didn't get shipped. Then the next day I made $6.41, getting 115 clicks. So that right there was pretty much doubling what I had the previous day, along with doubling the amount of clicks that I had the previous day. So that was, perfect progress, and I was hoping for the same results the next day. So the next day comes around, we made $20.80, getting 187 clicks, which is extremely good considering the fact that most people will start off getting a few, like $2, $3 for the first 3 days. We actually hit the $20 mark. And then lastly, we ended up making $15.26 with 216 clicks on January 23rd. Now what I'm thinking is, although this is like, a steady incline, I feel as though the only reason that January 23rd wasn't as much as you'd expect is because a lot of items didn't get shipped out yet, and I have a lot of videos that I've been uploading. Ever since I got monetized, I've been making at least 10 to 15 videos every single day, and just yesterday I actually recorded 36 videos that I have to finish editing so I could upload them. But for the most part, this program definitely pays extremely good, and my goal here is to scale this business up to $100 a day, then go for 200, 300, and the goal overall is just to get to $1,000 a day. It sounds extremely difficult, but I have a very good strategy on how I'm going to make a lot of videos consistently and how I plan on scaling this business up to potentially make me $100,000 my first year. So I'm going to try my best to document that journey if you guys are interested. So make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in that. And looking down over here to the bottom of the screen, you'll see that over this period, I've gotten a total of 601 clicks on my videos. And then shipped items was a total of 60, and returned items 0 because nobody has returned any items that they bought. And the conversion rate was 9.98%, which really isn't bad at all. And the total amount of revenue of the items that were shipped out, which means the prices for the items that were sold all together, was $1,835.55. And I haven't gotten any bonuses from this program, so this is the exact total that I've made from the program in total. So my advice for anybody who's looking to be an aspiring Amazon influencer is just stay consistent. It's gonna seem like there's not many products to review around you, but you gotta remember that some products that you have, you probably bought in a pair, and you could review each one separately as well, which means that you have 3 videos instead of 1. There's a lot of ways to make money with this program, and my goal is to have 1,000 videos uploaded within the next month and a half or so. And at the moment, I currently have 85 videos uploaded on my channel or on my Amazon page. So I'm gonna try to scale that up, and since I have 36 more videos to edit, that's gonna give me 121 videos once I'm done, which should give me a decent advantage. And I just plan on scaling this business up. And if you guys want to see my entire journey and watch me document the entire process, then make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, because I do plan on making a lot more videos about this program. Besides that, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.